I see the light inside my eyes, a glow no mirror can disguise. No need to chase, no need to prove. My beauty is my inner truth. I am the most beautiful in the world, not by rules, not by trends, but in the way my spirit bends. I shine with love, I bloom with grace, beauty written on my face. I am the most beautiful in my own world. They may not see what I now know, that beauty is the way I grow. In every scar, in every smile, I've been worthy all the while. I am the most beautiful in the world, not by measure, not by style.